Hi, Grant Warrington with Warrington Group Real Estate. So I want to show you one of the projects we're working on today. It's soft spots in floors in bathrooms. So this is an apartment, and what there was there were shower doors, big glass shower doors. We removed those because what happens is water, it's kind of hard to see, but water can collect here and it runs down the side. This will happen in your home. Anybody's home if you allow water to run down the side. So we put some splash blocks on when we're done to stop the water from coming down the side. And over time, it'll collect and it'll find its way through this vinyl floor and it'll create a soft spot, hard to tell, in the floor right there. So what we do is we cut that out and we replace the wood. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is another apartment in the same building, and you can see we replaced some of the tiles here. You can see the white tiles. What we're going to do is we're going to get this sprayed, glazed, the tub and the surround. It'll all be white. It'll look beautiful and brand new when we're done with it. But here we have the same issue with the floor. So we ripped up the vinyl like you saw in the last video. Same apartment, same everything, and this is what we're going to do in the one that I just previously showed you. We cut a piece of wood out. Here's where the toilet goes. That's the toilet flange. It's missing the flange. We're going to put that back on. And we cut a section of wood out and basically replace it so that it's level. We screw it back down. And this is thin set that they placed over the crack. And it's white because we sprayed oil-based kills over the wood, just in case any water comes in contact with it again. That'll deter any mildew or any kind of growth like that. So that's why we do that, just a precautionary step. And then what we do is we put vinyl plank flooring, nice vinyl plank, click plank floating floor through here. So it'll look just beautiful when we're done with it. And we're really excited. So I hope this helped. I hope this gave you a little bit of insight into what's going on at your home. So go ahead and go in your bathroom, step on the corners there like I showed you, and if they're soft, that's exactly what's going on, and that's how to repair it. So again, Grant Warrington with Warrington Group Real Estate, and I hope this helped. Have a great day. Thanks.